Looking for the best electric meat grinder but not sure where to start? Stick around. We're ranking the top 5 models from weakest to absolute best to help you grind smarter, not harder. Kicking off our list is the most basic model in the lineup, the Sunmile SM-G31. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of home meat grinding, this one gets the job done without too many frills. It's light, compact, and ideal for beginners who just want something simple and affordable. It's equipped with a modest 250-watt motor, which spikes up to 800 watts at peak. That gives you enough juice to grind about 150 pounds of meat per hour. Plenty for casual home cooks. It also comes with stainless steel plates and a sausage attachment, which is pretty solid at this price point. Setup is a breeze thanks to its simple on-off switch and intuitive locking knob. But it does come with some compromises. The plastic body feels a bit flimsy compared to sturdier metal models, and it's not built for anything more than basic occasional use. If you're thinking about large batches or tougher meats, this one might slow you down. Still, if you're after a lightweight, no-fuss option that covers the basics, the SM-G31 is a solid entry-level pick. And by the way, if you're interested in any of the grinders featured in this video, check out the description below for the best current prices on all of them, you know? Next up, the Yabano grinder steps things up a notch with more power and better safety features. It ranks just above the Sunmile thanks to its higher wattage and more robust design, making it a better fit for folks who grind more regularly or want a bit more speed. This model cranks out up to 3,000 watts at its peak, helping it move through about 180 pounds of meat per hour. You get 2 grinding plates, sausage and cubby attachments, and safety additions like reverse mode and overload protection. It's compact too. Easy to store in most kitchens without hogging space. On the downside, it's not dishwasher safe, and its plastic body means it's still not designed for heavy-duty all-day use. You'll need to hand wash the parts, and over time, that may start to feel like a chore. If you're past the beginner stage but not quite ready to splurge on a premium model, this is a nice stepping stone. Oh, and if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more honest gear reviews like this one. Coming in at third place is the CHEFFANO grinder. It's quite similar to the Yabano in terms of grinding speed and power, but it edges ahead with a bit more attention to build quality and safety. The motor here can handle up to 2,600 watts, pushing through nearly 3 pounds of meat per minute. It also comes with multiple grinding plates, sausage and cubby attachments, and a reverse function for unclogging. The safety lock and stable base make operations smoother and a little more worry-free, especially if you're new to electric grinders. Like the Yabano though, this unit requires hand washing. Aluminum parts don't do well in the dishwasher. Also, while durable for home use, it's not cut out for commercial or industrial grinding tasks. If you're someone who grinds regularly and values a bit more build quality and safety without breaking the bank, this one's a great fit. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. The ALTRA Life grinder makes its mark with smart features, higher grade materials, and a more polished experience overall. It handles everything from coarse to fine grinds with ease, thanks to its solid motor and stainless steel blades. This model also includes reverse functionality and a built-in storage box for accessories, little things that add up in everyday use. The construction feels sturdier than both the CHEFFANO and Yabano, which gives it a more premium, reliable feel. As with others in this tier, you'll still need to avoid tossing aluminum parts in the dishwasher, but that's about the only thing holding it back. It performs well, feels solid, and works efficiently without overheating or clogging. If you're ready to move past entry-level grinders and invest in something that balances power, features, and user-friendliness, the ALTRA Life is worth every penny. Topping the list is the powerhouse of the bunch, the STX Turbo Force. If you're serious about home meat grinding and want the best all-around performer, this is it. With a huge grinding head and a monster motor, this beast can grind up to 240 pounds of meat per hour. You get a full set of 5 plates, 3 cutting blades, sausage tubes, a cubby attachment, even burger press molds, and meat claws. Oh, and did I mention the foot pedal? That's right, you can control this thing hands-free while prepping your meat. Just keep in mind, while it's super powerful, it's still not designed for grinding bones or running 24/7 in a commercial kitchen. And like the others with aluminum components, dishwasher use is off limits. You'll need to wash by hand to keep it in top shape. If you want a grinder that covers everything from bulk prep to gourmet burgers, and you're not afraid of a little cleaning afterward, this is hands down the best choice for the serious home cook. That wraps up our full breakdown of the top electric meat grinders on the market. All the top picks we covered are linked in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the best deals. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one.